Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to stop Netflix's automatic payment. Once your web browser is open, type netflix.com into the search bar. When the Netflix website loads, look for the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. In the menu that appears, look for an option called Account and tap on it. This will take you to your Netflix account settings. Before proceeding, it is important to note that Netflix doesn't have a specific setting to cancel automatic payments. However, there are two solutions to address this issue. One option is to change the billing date associated with your Netflix account. Another option is to cancel your Netflix membership altogether. This will stop automatic payments from being deducted from your account. To cancel your Netflix membership, scroll down on the account settings page until you see the option to cancel membership. Tap on this option to proceed. After tapping cancel membership, Netflix will display a message indicating when your membership will end. You will still be able to watch Netflix until the date specified, such as February 25, 2024. This is how you can stop Netflix's automatic payments. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.